Okay. So what are the recommended resources ba? Okay. So number one is your question banks. So gaya na sabi natin kanina, the One Nurse app has a lot of questions or question banks that you can utilize, no? It can be a printed or an online version, okay? So yung iba may mga books, okay? May mga printed materials coming from your review centers that you can use for practicing. Number two, we have your group studies. So yung iba kasi they have really a hard time absorbing information. So, yung iba nakaka-benefit sa group study. So, this is a collaboration between a group of students or candidates for PNLE, okay, wherein they share the knowledge and discuss concepts para mas maintindihan yung inyong nursing concepts. Third one is your online media. So this comes with your video tutorials, online classes, okay? Yung mga napapanood nyo sa YouTube, mga tutorial sessions. So magagamit nyo rin yun. And lastly is your one-on-one tutorial. Kung yung iba hindi nakaka-benefit sa group study because they're easily get distracted. So yung iba naman mas effective sa kanilang one-on-one tutorial. So, bakit one-on-one tutorial? Kasi it is a focused study. Ikaw lang yung fino-focus ng tutor para mas maintindihan mo yung mga concepts, no? And this is really applicable or really recommended sa mga may mga tawag dito difficulties sa numerous concepts or some certain concepts ng ating NLE.